Welcome to Treasurable Kitchen, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make coconut rice. This coconut rice is not the usual one you used to take. Guys, join me as we make this coconut rice together. This coconut rice tastes so good. Oh yeah, let's begin. So you have to get 4 cups of rice, wash it very well and parboil it. Parboil in the sense that parboil half done. Then in another pot, come in with your proteins of choice. I'm using goat meat, cow leg and stockfish, and steam dried fish. So you can use any protein of your choice. So guys, go in with your onion, thyme, very important, black pepper, this is optional, dry chili pepper, salt, seasoning cube, and of course water. Let your water be slightly above your meat, just as the way it's being indicated in the video. So guys, our rice is ready. After parboiling your rice, you transfer to a sieve and allow it to settle for a while. Take that aside. Check if the proteins are soft enough for you to eat. So when it is okay for you to consume, if it's soft enough, go in with your coconut powder, stir very well. This coconut powder, you have to allow it to boil. So now cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a good stir. Now go in with 1 cup of palm oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using groundnut oil. Now guys, this is where the main tea comes in, because after putting your rice, you're not going to add any other ingredients. So now this is when you will test to see let your salt be a little bit over. When you test it, let it be as if the salt is over. That's when you know that yes, you are actually in track. Because by the time you put your rice, you're not going to add any other ingredients again to this particular recipe. So everything you are doing, it should be within this water from steaming. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you come back and check your rice. Now this is the time for you to add your vegetables, in the sense that the vegetables, you go in with your carrots, your green beans. If you want to add your sweet corn, you can add sweet corn to it. Any veggies of your choice. These are the ones I'm using. So make sure you always put your vegetables after your rice is already cooked, it's already done. At this point, this rice is done. This rice is done. Sorry, pardon me. So you put your veggies and you go in with a little bit of sesame oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this thing right. Sesame oil, Samson oil. Anyone, guys, you know what I'm talking about. It's there. So after adding it, you give it a good mix. Mix everything together in a very low heat so that your rice will not get burnt. You don't overcook the vegetable. Once you put your vegetable like this, you know that in the next 2 or 3 minutes you will off your gas and it's ready, so that you be eating your veggies raw. They will not be too cooked. So guys, let me know if you will try this. This rice is so delicious. It was so nice. Let me know if you will try this. This rice is so delicious. It was so nice, guys. Cover and allow to steamer. So then after that, guys, our rice is ready. This rice tastes so delicious, guys. So delicious. I even prefer this than fried rice, guys. If you taste this rice, you will not believe the outcome. This rice tastes so good. And if you have a visitor, this is the best meal to prepare for them, and they will ask you what is your secret ingredient. So guys, you can serve and eat with any oh my god. So guys, I hope you find this video interesting. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and support your girl. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Share to your friends. Please, this recipe is simple.